like I say, that's one of the reasons why basically Nixon and also Mr. Brown and a bunch of other people, they wanted to basically demify. They tried to demify my Auschwitz sites because I was using my Auschwitz sites were. If you go back in time, the Auschwitz sites were basically research facilities, and they were research facilities I invested a lot of money in, huge amounts of money on, and they were basically my sites, so my technology, so my people, and basically it was all LS, Lucifer Star. So, like I say, if you look at the aerial photos, you'll see this aerial photos, and there's this big tank in one of the photos of the Auschwitz sites, and there's a big star on the top. And I told them to put that star on that tank, because what that tank was that tank was a nuclear fusion reactor. It was a thorium reactor. I believe that was a thorium reactor, first of its kind, and and it was a thorium reactor, and that was a steam vessel. It was a steam tank, a high pressure steam tank. It was either high pressure steam tank, but I think it was a thorium reactor. It was the first thorium reactor ever, or something like that, or one of them. Anyway, it was a thorium reactor, and I was like, I want you to paint a star on the top of it, there, because I want to be able to see my thorium reactor, and I don't want them because if someone bombed it or something, it'd be really bad. And there was also like, and on the roof they also painted. I believe they painted Lucifer Star on the roof, on one of the roofs of the Auschwitz building. I think they painted Luciferstar Star, and basically that's my name, or Brian, and Brian, because I wanted my name to be on the building so people knew that this is my site. Don't even think about bombing it. Basically, that's what all the stars were for. It's basically like, this is Lucifer's star. If you bomb it, I will be pissed. And there'll be death and destruction and pain and all that other stuff later. Anyway, though, but this is about the MC-70 master jet. Basically, I had all the science, so I was the only one producing tires. I was the first one producing tires, the first person producing rubber. We were stamping out diseases, we were disinfecting, basically the public or people, like I say, before Auschwitz, people kind of meandered around the earth. There really wasn't much civilization to speak of. Exactly. I mean, there may have been some civilization, but I didn't know of it really. Like, I only knew what my films documented, and I only knew I knew some stuff, but I only knew what people told me and stuff like that. Like I was very much, being protected and all that other stuff. I mean, I used to know more about what was going on, and then I was like, but then, America turned on me, like Richard Nixon and John McCain and all those people, like, they were lying to the public. And they were, they turned on me. They wanted to kill me. They wanted to kill me for the money. They were going to do this thing where they were lying to what is America, what is the United States. They were trying to take over. They wanted to kill me. You can ask the Irish about Roosevelt. Some Irish family knows all about Roosevelt. Anyway, this is more about I'm just babbling now, but the MC whatever 170 Manchester, that jet was a great jet, except it was way too noisy. It did this, and it was really, really loud. Well, the reviews of it, like everything, I had everything reviewed, and people said, yeah, but it's like, it shrieks like an eel, or shrieks like a banshee or something like that, and so it's only quiet going really fast and really high up, where the air is really thin, and you really can't hear the sound so much. So only at full speed and going really fast was it tolerable. Other than that, like, even with ear protection on, it was like this loud, like, deafening whine or whatever, where people would hear it. They'd go to bed and go, I can still hear that damn jet engine, at night and stuff like that. So it was a problem. And so, like, we sold some, but I didn't have much hope in it because, I mean, it was a cool jet, but I mean, people weren't going to buy it. People want quiet. People want comfortable. People want something I mean, I don't know. I mean, but I was going for something that everyone can use because that's where the market is in everyone. But I still sold quite a few of them probably. So anyway, I mean, I had all kinds of factories and projects going on. I was just going from one thing to the next. So anyway, that's how I ended up owning Germany and naming America. Otherwise, people would be like, America what? What's America? What are you talking about? There's no country named America. What country named America? People would be saying that. I mean, but you turn on the TV, you see America, air travel, American Airlines. I really wanted to get the name out there, so I invented the word America, and so like I said, because I was inventing jets and because I had so many jets, I was like painted on the side of the aircraft, America. That's why Lusitania. That's Lucifer. I thought just saying Lucifer Star would be a little bit too obvious. And besides, like I said, they painted Lucifer Star on the side of the Titanic. And there's all these people going around saying that they were Lucifer Star. And it's like, Like Lucifer is the most stolen identity ever. So, yeah. Anyway. It stole my identity. Yeah. Anyway, I mean, I was an epic adventurer. So anyway, I'm not even whatever human for like millions of years. So anyway, yeah. So well. Anyway, that was one of my jets. Anyway, Richard Nixon was lying to everyone. JFK was lying to everyone. There's a lot of people that were lying to everyone, and they had public broadcasting and radio and all that stuff. And I don't know, it gets all crazy like.